So, here is my little bundle of joy. It's my Suzuki Cara. I just got it about a week ago. I am gonna do a whole bunch of stuff here, and since I haven't found any YouTube videos about it, I figure some people work better with videos and would like to see how the work is done. And if you have one of these and you need some help with some maintenance stuff, hopefully I have some good stuff coming up here. This one's a 1994. It's got almost 79,000 kilometers, so it's like 49,000 miles. I don't know what that is. Close enough, but it's in pretty good condition. Let's open the door. Here it is. I already took the spare tire out. There it is. Don't mind the mess around the shop, but I guess this is a good little intro video for my Suzuki Cara. Check out the little twisty tie fix from good old Japan there. Looks like bread ties. So I guess it works. Keeps the little clip from falling out. This channel's gonna be about this little car, little maintenance things. Hopefully you guys can follow along and do the same on your own car. I'm gonna go through things like removing the seat, carpet, oil changes, transmission fluid changes, little mods, whatever I can come up with. Hopefully I can help contribute some of this stuff. I'll be releasing videos in sections, stuff like maybe each individual part, so you can just skip ahead and just click on the video you want to watch, and that way you don't have to watch a whole entire video to get to a little section that you wanted to look at. All right, let's get to it.